Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will learn how to add slicer in pivot table. So here you can see set of data, but this is only the table, not the pivot. And if we try to add slicer, so you can see slicer under insert and slicer. Okay, this one. So when we try to add slicer, it will not allow you to add because this is not the pivot table. This is only simply a table. If I click anywhere and try to add, you will be getting this error like data is not correct. For that, you will be creating a pivot table first, and after that you will be adding slicer. So in last session we had created a pivot table for maximum minimum sales as per the genre. This is the same page, okay? On this page, you can see pivot table as per the genre. You can see like example comedy movie, sum of sales, minimum sales, maximum sales, count how many only two movies released, and percentage of grand total. Like this sort of data is. Then to add slicer in this, you will go to insert slicer. I want to add slicer as per the movie genre. So once you click under any movie genre, it will show you that option. And if you want to select the multiple one, then control and that option. Control and multiple. Okay. Same way, let's go for some other sheet. Here you can see set of data having platforms and the date. So as per different platform. So let's add slicer for the different platforms. For that, you will go under insert, slicer, and same you will go heading will be as per the pivot table what pivot table is reflecting. Okay, so in this we will be selecting platforms, so you can add here. Even in slicer you can have line select. Like this you can go for this option multi-line select, or you can change, like you want this slicer should be horizontal, then you can divide this into columns. Like I want three columns, so you can divide like this, and you can place your data here. Okay, or if you want to add more, four, like this. So we can place this slicer on the top like this where we want. So if we select particular platform, then it will show you that platform data. Okay. So, and the last, let's see, here we have as per the region wise, this one, north, south, east, west, okay? And if we try to add here slicer, then same region wise. Even you can add slicer as per the date if you want. Then you can select the date option. Let's add multiple slicer like customers, region, and date. Okay, I want region. So regions are how many? There are two regions. So I'm placing this here. Okay. You can place or you can align it as per your requirement. Then date. For date, you can have filter as per the month, year as you want. Or you can change the setting like multiple. Even you can change the color. Okay. So region like this. If I want to check from east region, there are multiple dates. Particular date, then you can highlight that date. And if you want, you can select the multiple regions. How you will be selecting using control. In this way, we can add slicer and we can analyze our data as needed. Thank you for watching.